Hello, you're watching Much Ado About Something today, and I'm Donna. I'm glad you're here. Thank you for joining me today. Well, Donald and I are out here in the front yard and front gardens, and we're busy. We had a lot of work to catch up on today, so I'll share with you what's going on. We're cleaning up my car. It was a mess. Anybody that's got little kids, I have little grandchildren, then you know what a mess it is in your car. So we're cleaning that up. I'm out here repotting some things. And look what we have right here. It's the raspberries. We got a few of them out here. And I think I'm going to get one before the bird. It's not quite ripe, but I'm going to go ahead and eat it. Because if I don't, I won't get one. That is so good. I wish I could get more of them. I've got plenty right here. I'm surprised that I even got to eat that one, because usually as soon as they turn red, the birds just pick them all off and we never get one. That's the favorite thing. That's my favorite thing I'm going to share with you in my garden today, is these delicious, beautiful little raspberries. I've been over here at the potting table just repotting some more hanging baskets and things that I've got going on. I potted this little thing that I got last year for my birthday. I planted it with some flowers. I repotted this sedum right here. It was overgrown in its pot. This was the pot it's in. It was all broken up and it needed to be replaced, so I put it in a bigger pot, in a better pot, one that wasn't all broken up. So here it is. And then I planted this little hanging basket over here that I forgot to plant the other day. I put a portulaca and a petunia in this little hanging basket. Donald's going to plant the irises that came from Mama last year. He's going to put these in the ground right here for me today. He's a good digger, and he can use his shoulders, so he's going to do that for me, and I'm excited about that. The hanging baskets we planted are looking good. They're looking really pretty. There are new things starting to bust out in the garden. We had a daylily today. Of course, it's closed up now because they only bloom for one day. But there's plenty of blooms all over this daylily that I'm looking forward to seeing it bloom. The Queen Anne's lace is blooming, and it's beautiful. There's the hanging basket that we did just the other day in the other video. We call this pleurisy root. It'll be blooming before we know it. I see some little blooms in there. And right over there is a beautiful orange echinacea. Lots of blooms on the echinacea plants. We need to fill up the bird bath. Here's the passion plant. It's growing up right here. I did not get that moved. I did not get a lot of my garden plans completed. I wanted to move this in the back, but that didn't happen this year, so it's right here. Donald planted this lamb's ear for me. We've got to water that. We're just out here having a work day, catching up and getting some things done. Well, it's drizzling rain. We've got caught out in the rain out here, so we're going to try to hurry up and get this stuff put back up. Donald's getting the car mats put back in. Look, those beautiful daisies. beautiful. I forgot to show y'all the little chair I bought at the thrift store. It's a cute little chair. I got it for $15. And it's cute, just looks summery sitting there. It's not real big, doesn't take up too much room. I never put very much on the right hand side of the door because it hinders the ingress and the egress of the coming in and out of the house. So I don't put a lot on this side, maybe a little something over here, but not anything big. I've got this stool, I was using it today as I was working out in the yard. But this little stool right here, this little chair right here, I thought it just looked perfect for this tiny little porch that we have. Well, it's not really even a porch, it's really a stoop. But it's, the entrance here, it makes it look cute. And it looks summery, so I'm glad I added that. I think that's cute. It's just big enough to set your purse or package or something down on while you go into the house. Let's go over here and check this hanging basket that's on the right hand side. I've still got a potting mess over here around the potting table. I'll have to clean that up a little bit. This hanging basket's doing pretty good. It's looking good right here. And there's some little wild roses blooming over there. Some little pink wild roses. This bed still needs a lot of work, but they sure are cute. Some water for the birds. There's that pretty orange echinacea and the hanging basket from this side of the road. We've got some more pleurisy root that'll bloom before we know it. I'll have to put the watering cans up. And I still got a bunch to clean up over here near the house. But all in all, it's looking really pretty. I'm really happy with it. There's always work to be done. It's a never-ending project. But I think it's looking really good. The elderberries are starting to bloom. I know I've been noticing those on the side of the road. We've got a few blooms there on that one here in the front, so maybe we'll get some elderberries. This is the little container I planted here, and then the old watering can. Last year I put thyme in this watering can. This year I just put a little petunia. Well, I'm going to come in and eat dinner tonight. I'm going to eat a sweet potato with a little bit of cinnamon, butter, and a tiny bit of sugar. I've already had ham. It was really good. Me and Donald's winding down for the night. Well, here we are. It rained on us, but we got the car cleaned up some. We got some things transplanted. Donald did get the irises planted. They look good. So I don't have to worry about them being in their pot anymore. There's some beautiful echinacea. There's a lot of echinacea in this particular garden right here. So it'll be growing up, blooming. This is lemon balm. Got some things watered. It didn't end up raining very much, just a little bit of a drizzle. We got the bird bass filled up. Some echinacea over here blooming. Some out in the middle garden. We surely did not get everything done. Got this little planter planted, and this little watering can, I just put a petunia in that. Last year I think I put thyme in it. We'll be having another work day before long and getting some more of this stuff caught up. You know, things change in the garden all the time. Every day something changes in this garden, and I love to just come out here and look and see what's changed. And I like to share it with you. Thank you for joining me today, and like always, until next time.